Good evening, everyone. Today is Monday, September 15, 2025. This morning, I had a conference with a buyer that he knows me, and he said, Wilhelmina, I haven't seen you on your YouTube because used to be I always update the price of gold. And I told this gentleman that I only come live when I update the price of the day. Now today, the price of gold today, this is the price. Okay? This is the price on the world market, which is 3,642.26 per ounce today. So that's the reason why you haven't seen Wilhelmina, because I am watching the movement of gold so that I could share the information on my platform. Now this video would be on my YouTube channel, and I want you to subscribe and click below, give me a thumb, because I don't send the procedure no more. The full procedure, the full corporate offer is on this video. Every video, if you pay attention, you will see the procedure on how you are going to secure gold in Africa. Most of you think that I am an agency. No, I'm not an agency. I am the extension of the seller who produce gold. I'm based in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia, and the gold produced in Bamako, Mali, gold produced in Conakry, Guinea, and Sierra Leone. I handle 3 countries and 3 sellers. So the sellers hired Wilhelmina to handle sales and marketing for them because they are very busy mining gold on their mining site. So the seller, the head office, would not worry anymore because they hired Wilhelmina to tell the world, and I promote Africa. So please don't misunderstood of my position. I am here to tell the world, and also you, if you are a buyer, that gold in Africa produced by the miner. The miner have license to mine. The miner has an export license to export to you, and the miner will give you all necessary information about him via Wilhelmina. Now, this is my virtual office. I will gather your information when you come on my platform on YouTube channel and on my platform on Facebook. When you come for conference, when you come on my platform, you need to read, you need to digest what are you reading. Because if you come for conference, my question is really very simple. How did you get my number? And then you're going to say, oh, well, Amina, I saw your video. I said, where? On YouTube. Did you read? Did you pay attention? Did you digest it? Did you comprehend? This is my question when you come for conference with me. Meaning to say, you are ready to do business with us. Now you're going to say, Wilhelmina, what is the price? At the moment, the price is 3,642.26 per ounce. You multiply that to 32.15. 32.15. This is the price per kilo on the world market. Now, do not underestimate Africa. Africa is now watching the world market demand. The African owner of the gold, he would not sell the gold cheap price to you. The African seller knows the price of gold. And the African seller knows that the gold is the world asset. And the African head office knows that gold is tax haven. So you as the buyer or small gold trader, you need to be prepared that you have to have cash flow. because this is not CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. This is not Black Fund. This is not letter of credit. And this is not a standard letter of credit. This is not. This is FOB, bank-to-bank cash payment. Now you're going to say, well, Amina, how I'm going to pay you? Well, you read first the procedure in front of you, the requirement that you are going to comply. The requirement is very simple. You are the buyer and you saw Wilhelmina on my YouTube channel and on Facebook. It already stated that you need to require to submit your business registration, a copy, that you are going to apply to purchase gold. So you need to show your business registration, and you need to show your importation license. Where are you going to export? Where are you going to import? Which country? India, Dubai, America, Hong Kong, China, Philippines, or Australia. So you need to have an importation license. The head office, my head office, have an export license to export to you. And then you're going to say, well, Amina, what carat? You are not paying attention. The carat is 22 plus. And the purity is from 96, 97, 98. You are not purchasing refined, which is 99.99. You are purchasing unrefined, which is gold bar dore. You understand that? Now you're going to say, well, Amina, what is the price? This is the price on the world market today. Less 5% on this. Use your calculator. Less 5%. That is the selling price. Tax included. Then you're going to ask, well, Amina, how much is the tax in Mali? The tax in Mali is 7%. That is normal. You have to pay the gold plus government sales tax, which is valued added tax. In Sierra Leone, the tax is 5%. In Conakry, the tax is 5%. In Ghana, their taxes is 8%. So in every country, they have a different valued added tax. And then you're going to say, oh, I want to buy gold. I don't want to pay upfront. There is no upfront. No. If you cannot afford to pay this precious mineral, don't be involved in gold business. You need to have a capital. And the payment must be bank to bank based on your contract. Then you're going to say, how will, Amina? Well, I'm going to gather your vital information. The vital information is in front of you. What necessary you are going to submit to Wilhelmina, because Wilhelmina will verify you and Wilhelmina will validate you. So when I receive your business registration, a copy, importation license, passport copy, the proof of fund, and money laundering certificate, that you have money laundering certificate and you need to apply that online. Why you require that? Because most of you are going to launder. Why? What is the meaning of launder? You're going to say, well, Amina, I'm going to buy gold, but I'm not going to pay taxes. I want to hand carry, and then I will bring it to my destination. When I arrive to my destination, that is the time I'm going to pay your gold. To me, you are gold launderer. And your money is dirty. So you need to apply money laundering certificate. Without that, you wouldn't get gold from us, because I'm very, very strict. Now, let's talk about proper business. Wilhelmina is your gateway to secure gold in Africa. You're going to say, Wilhelmina, where in Africa? Did I not mention a while ago that I handle Bamako, Mali? I handle Conakry, Guinea, and Sierra Leone. I will determine which seller, which head office I'm going to take you after I validated you. If I don't validate you, to me, you are not a buyer. You're not. You are applying to purchase. This is $1 million you're buying. You must remember. And we want to know who you are. Because there are so many smugglers, there are so many criminals on this business. There's so many fake buyers on this business. Now, gold is a rich on minerals. Gold can make into jewelry. Gold can make into necklace, this one. And gold can make into bracelet and wedding ring and false teeth. And gold can be refined to make into 99.99, which is 24 carats. Now, you cannot buy 99 because it's already refined. We are selling unrefined, produced by my head office, direct from his mine. The dust gold is melted into bar, ready to export. So when you bump into this video, you need to read the full corporate offer in front of you. I don't need to teach you because I am not a professor. When my seller hired Wilhelmina, he didn't even explain to me. I have to compile because when you sell, you need to tell what you are selling. And when you buy, you need to tell me what are you buying and what carats are you looking for. 22, 21, 18, 19, because the price, it varies day to day. And the price, it varies carats to carats. Now you're going to ask, well, Amina, what is the price? I don't know. What price are you asking for? After you read and after you watch this video, I want to know what price are you looking for when you come for conference with me, because I'm going to interview you live video call. And my question is, how long you've been searching for gold? And you're gonna tell me, I've been searching for 6 months. Well, something wrong with you. 6 months, maybe you are dealing with a lot of chain of joker broker. Because a real buyer would not talk 2 months. The real buyer will make a decision only 1 week. Now you've been searching for 6 months. To me, you are just time waster. Our selling price today on 22 carats is 107.40 per kilo. On 99.99, which is 24 carats, is 178.41 per kilo. So tell me, Mr. Buyer, what capacity you can afford. And we don't sell 1 kilo. There is a minimum. So if you have $1 million, yes, we can do business with you. Because we don't sell CIF. This is FOB. Right. And you need to convince me. That's why I want you to come for conference, because I want to listen to your needs. I want to know why you've been searching for gold for many months. Something wrong with you. Or you are not a buyer. You are just comparing prices to prices, talking to a chain of lot of joker broker. The joker broker would not explain to you what I have explained right now. And the joker broker would not show his or her face because they are scared. Why are they going to be scared for? I'm not scared. I am here to help you, Mr. Buyer. I'm not scared. I'm open. This is my virtual office. There is no gold here. There's none. It is in Africa. Now you're going to say, well, Amina, how I'm going to get the gold? Well, you have to send me your letter of interest, remember? I explained a few minutes ago that after you watch this video, you need to send me a copy of your business registration, importation license, your passport copy, and the proof of fund. Why I require that? To signify that you are a buyer. If you don't signify, or if you didn't show me that you are a buyer, how could I help you? Now, there was a guy from UK, and he came to Brisbane. He said, Wilhelmina, I need the gold. Okay, he's in Brisbane for holiday. And I told him, okay, I want to meet you. And he said, oh, I'm too busy. I said, well, if you're busy, I'm also busy. And let's meet in the city. We're going to have lunch. I'm going to buy you lunch. And he has so many alibi until he returned to UK. And he called me, Wilhelmina, I need the gold. And I told him, you have not convinced me. And you didn't make an effort to meet me face to face. Because I don't know you. When I asked him to open his camera, he didn't open his camera. So I'm getting suspicious. So he returned to United Kingdom. He said, I need gold 10 kilos to Dubai. I said, yes, but I need to see your credential. And he said, oh, money doesn't worry me. Well, doesn't worry you. But we don't know who you are. And we need to know who you are. Doesn't matter if you have $1 million. Yeah, you have $1 million. We have gold. Gold is worth money as well. Gold is worth $1 million as well. So before you buy gold, you need to convince Wilhelmina so that I could guide you, so that I could assist you. Now you're going to say, Wilhelmina, too expensive. Well, don't be involved in gold business. If you think that the gold is too expensive, we're selling $107,40,000 per kilo. And you're going to say, oh, too expensive. Don't be involved. Because it is very expensive. Gold is expensive. Gold is tax heaven. Yeah. Don't you know that the predictions of gold before end 2025 could be $4,000? Yeah. I mean 4,000 per ounce. Right? On 4,000 per ounce, just a moment, I'm gonna give you a good price. Okay? Now, on 4,000 per ounce. Okay? This is 4,000 per ounce, huh? Multiply that 32.15. This could be the price. We are now in September. 3 months more to go. It would be December. September, October, November, December. Right? So, this could be. So, less 5% on this price. Think about it. Now, entering 2026. Right. 4,500 per ounce. Huh? 4,500 middle of 2026. Multiply that to 32.15. This could be. Less 5% on that. I want you to use your calculator. And I want you to figure out. You are not paying this one, right? You're not. You are buying unrefined. So you have to talk to Wilhelmina in order for you to get the good deal. Because Wilhelmina is the gateway to secure gold in Africa. Wilhelmina is the extension of the owner of the gold. Wilhelmina was hired by the seller, by the owner of the gold, to market to the world, because this seller, very busy mining on their mining site. We have tons of gold. How are you able to pay? Because we don't sell 1 kilo, 2 kilos. It's not worth it for you to travel. There is a minimum, at least 20 kilos. Okay? At least, or more. Because this is a big quantity. We don't sell a small quantity. We are an exporter. When you buy gold, you need to know, you need to be prepared whether you are capable to pay, where you are going to take the gold out of the country, whether you take it to United Kingdom. Their importation tax is too high, which is 20%. If you're going to take the gold to Dubai, the importation tax is just only 3 to 5%. And if you're gonna take the gold to India, 12%. And if you're gonna bring the gold into Australia, our importation tax is 10%. Yes, government sales tax. But you can declare that, you can claim that at the end of the year when you pay taxes. I'm sure you understand that. I'm sure you're a businessman. When taxation, you have to declare that, then you get the refund. But I'm not here to explain to you further. Okay? Buying and selling exactly the same. You have to pay the product plus valued added tax. And then you're gonna say, I'm going to buy no upfront. We don't ask you to pay upfront. You have to travel with Wilhelmina in order for you to pick up your order. You have to have a contract before you travel with Wilhelmina. The contract will be arranged and you will receive the confirmation of your order once I submitted your credential. Then when I submitted the credential of yours to my head office, you will receive the confirmation letter and the contract. Your reservation of 20 kilos or 100 kilos or 500 kilos. And I'm going to gather all your requirements, your bank statement, your email address, your address. I have to gather your information in order for me to submit to the head office. Then the head office will send a contract to me to review it and send it to you. Then you have to review the contract. Okay? And you're gonna say, oh, I want to see your seller. Yes, you will. You will be invited and you will getting the landing visa from my head office that you are a valued customer. Don't trouble with no invitation because we don't entertain buyer already on the ground. Now, 1 hour ago, this guy from Benin, and he said he has a buyer, and his buyer from Dubai. So when I interview him, because I look at his number, he's from Benin. So I sent him a message and I told this guy from Benin, I want to talk to you. And I want you to open your camera. He refused to open his camera. I told him it's okay. So we have a voice conference. When I interviewed him, he's not a buyer. And he said, the buyer's agent is in Conakry. I turned it down. We don't entertain. So the buyer's agent have a difficulty on getting the gold. And he's asking price, cheap price, $80,000 per kilo, which is 14 carats. I told him we don't sell 14 carats. We're selling 22 carats, which is 107,400 per kilo. So I reject it. And I told this guy from Benin, he's an agent, he's a chain of joker broker. I told him, don't waste my time. And you are wasting my time as well. And you are also wasting your time running around on the group. So I turned it down. I told him, if your buyer is real, tell your buyer to talk to Wilhelmina and create a group chat. I want to interview the buyer. Okay, so reject. So Mr. Buyer, if you're watching me, you don't need to run around. You have a phone, right? You are on the internet. You know the price of gold on the world market. You know that. You know. So why are you dealing with so many chain of joker broker? And then this joker broker, he bumped into my YouTube and on WhatsApp. WhatsApp is good network compared to other network. Because WhatsApp, there's also a buyer. There's also chain of joker broker. It's okay if you're a chain of joker broker. That is part of business. Yeah, you're collecting information, pretending that you have a buyer. But if you landed to Wilhelmina, I'm going to scrutinize you. Where's your buyer? I want the buyer to talk because I need to help the buyer. If you are working for your buyer, you are not helping your buyer. You're not. Mm. So stop running around. Mr. Buyer, you don't need to running around comparing prices because you wouldn't get. Yeah. As you know, the gold is getting higher and higher every minute. As I've said many times, gold is tax heaven. I told you that before. So you go on Kitco, you will see the movement of gold. Now let's talk about Wilhelmina Services. I am not an agency, huh? My job has two positions. I am your business facilitator. When you come to Wilhelmina, then you're gonna say, "Oh, I found this lady." So you read the full corporate offer, and you watch the message on this screen, right? So you're gonna see, "Oh, Wilhelmina too expensive." Correct. Gold is very expensive. The most expensive item in the world. Central bank needs this gold. Central bank cannot even find gold. You must remember, central bank have gold already refined, so they have to buy unrefined in order for them to refine. Where the gold coming from? Africa. Why this Australian mining company is in Africa positioning themselves? Canadian mining company, why they are in Africa? Don't underestimate Africa. Why big Indian company roaming around in Africa getting gold? And why these Chinese are in Africa? They're investing in Africa and also buying gold and bauxite. When I was in Africa recently, I met a lady, a Chinese lady, and she represents big company in China. But I have a difficulty on understanding her because she doesn't speak English properly. So when I have breakfast in Kalum Hotel, Kalum owned by Chinese, Kalum Hotel always full pack. That's my favorite hotel because I know the manager. So this Chinese lady, he come to my table and introduced herself. And she was surprised why I have two mobile phones. And I was busy answering my phone because there's so many people calling me. So I told her that I'm here to assist the buyer. And I'm here to promote Conakry, Guinea. They are buying bauxite. And I said, yeah, my head office mine as well bauxite. And my head office also produce gold. And she was very interested to know more about me. So I've given her a business card of mine. And she gave me her business card. So she returned to China. And you know what she said? Mrs. Ford, I admire you. You are really helping Africa. And we have also difficulty dealing with African. And I told her, yes, African owner of the gold and bauxite is very hard to deal with, especially if you're mucking around. And I know my head office. The head office will listen to my advice. And she said that she wanted to do business with my head office, and I told him, yeah, we can do business. And she approached on my table. She came because I'm having my breakfast. Can you imagine that? And you're scared to deal with Wilhelmina? To me, I start to wonder, why are you scared? I'm not. You don't need to be scared. I am here to assist you. Now, listen, Mr. International Gold Trader. Gold is precious. Gold is money. You're buying money to make money. And this is $1 million worth of business. You come to Wilhelmina, you think that I'm going to give you my secret. I've given you already knowledge. Knowledge worth $1 million. And when I travel, I do charge my services. My services is also expensive, the same as gold. You're buying expensive item. but in return, you will make profit. So instead of $107,000 as today, the price, when I travel with you, because I'm going to charge you my extra service to accompany you to my head office, my extra service is $20,000 non-refundable. Okay, so put that into back of your head. There is no free on this world. Do not come for conference if you are not a buyer, because I already explained here. So, there is a wording on the screen, and if you cannot even comprehend, click below, give me a comment or give me a thumb if you comprehend. Take time to read the full corporate offer until it registered into your brain, because I'm not here to teach people. I am not here to teach people. I am here to tell that we have the gold. That is why I put everything on my platform, on my YouTube channel, and on my Facebook. No such broker explain to you like this. None whatsoever. No. Used to be, I'm on LinkedIn. One guy yesterday said, well, Amina, I haven't seen you on LinkedIn. I told this guy, I get out on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a good site, but Joker Broker abuse the site, so I get out. The best site is YouTube channel and Facebook. Yes, because you can see all the picture, the footage that Wilhelmina was in Africa. Yeah. So, Mr. International Gold Trader, tell me, how can I help you? Don't be scared with this woman. Don't. Those Joker Broker, they hate my guts. They blog me that I'm a scammer. I don't know. If I'm a scammer, I wouldn't show my face. I wouldn't. Because the scammers are scared. I'm not scared to face you. Yeah. Do you find me the word scam means you lied to yourself. You're not telling the truth. I am telling the truth. Yes. If I'm not around on the ground, yes, the head office will turn you down. It doesn't matter if you sign a contract. And when we give you a good price, the price good only for 14 days. Recently, a few months ago, I had a buyer from UK, and I've given him a very good negotiation price. 2024, November 2024, $60,000. And the buyer was surprised, because when the buyer come to the head office, the owner of the gold, refused. He wanted the gold, the money into the table. And I said, no, the payment must be bank to bank. And I noticed that the buyer has a limited cash. That's not my fault, because the buyer didn't tell me how much money he has. He traveled with me in Conakry. And I took him to Emirates Air Cargo in the airport, and I took him to the exporter, and the exporter explained to him, and he cannot comprehend, and he's nervous. Why are you going to nervous? The payment must be bank to bank. The head office, the owner of the gold, refused, and the price has changed. Instead of 60,000, the owner of the gold will no longer selling 60,000, because the price was, I think, was 110 per kilo. The owner of the gold changed his mind. Or out of 60,000, he's not going to sell. That is why I'm explaining to you, Mr. Buyer, because I have also encountered issue about buyers and sellers. Now, I refined it. That is why you talk to Wilhelmina, so that you will get the gold. But when I give you the gold, or the price of gold, tax inclusive, good only for 14 days. After 14 days, the price that we're giving you is finished. It's void. So we base on the price every day. So that is why I'm telling you, Mr. Buyer, don't be scared, because I'm telling you, I have also encountered a lot of problem. So now I'm sharing you that you need to be prepared. You need to have a cash capital into your bank account. You don't need to bring cash because the payment must be bank to bank. I will determine to take you either in Sierra Leone, Mali, and Conakry. And if you are on the ground, I wouldn't be able to assist you. Because the seller's policy, the owner of the gold instruction is like this. Wilhelmina, we don't entertain buyers already on the ground. We will invite the buyer exclusively based on the contract, which is good. Yeah. So now you need to comprehend my explanation. And if you cannot cope up with my explanation, take time, watch this video, click below and subscribe. Read the full corporate offer step by step. Take time. Don't rush, because this is not for a rush business. This is $1 million you're buying, you must remember. So, Mr. International Gold Trader, we are here to do business. Wilhelmina will travel with you to assist you, but my services is not for free. Now, 2026, I will also change my services. My travel cost could be $25,000. You're buying expensive item. My services is also expensive. If you cannot afford to pay my services, that is fine. You can travel by yourself. We'll do the contract. But if I'll send you to the office, and if there is an issue, do not call Wilhelmina, because Wilhelmina is too far. Oh, Wilhelmina, why your head office is like this, like this? I told you so. Because African is very hard to deal with. He can reject you. Yes. He would not pick up the phone. But if I am on the ground, I have my private driver. My seller, my head office, the seller, the owner of the gold, he provide me a car, but only from 9 to 4. But on the evening, I have my own private driver that I know him for 2 years. And he always park at Noom Hotel. This young man is a very honest and trustworthy. So that is my private driver. And he owned the taxi. He's a young man. He's an engineering student. His mother is an accountant of Noom Hotel. He's a good boy. He's a very young. And he respect me, and I also respect him. So Mr. Gold, International Gold Trader, do not go behind my back if I'll take you. Because there was a buyer, he go behind my back. What happened? Failure, failure, failure. You don't need to go behind my back, because I am here to renegotiate the price for you. And if you don't like the seller, I will find another seller. But don't go behind my back. Wait until coordinate with me properly. You must remember, I do charge you $20,000 non-refundable whether you like it or not. So which one you like? You pay my extra service and I come with you, or you travel yourself. You don't need to pay $20,000. You don't need. There is no upfront. My $20,000 charges to you to cover my travel cost. Hotel accommodation, airport, and miscellaneous expenses to be with you. Which one you like? 5% or more than 5%. Tax included. We will discuss that when you come for conference, how much I'm going to ask the head office to give you a leeway. And you're going to say, well, Amina, do you think I can make profit? Yes. Gold business is profitable. Only when you have a capital. If you don't have a capital, don't be involved. And don't waste your time. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening. Today, September 15. Don't take him for granted. If you are a gold businessman, don't take him for granted. I know you've been traveling around comparing prices. Go for it. Then you're waiting for disaster. There's a lot of cheap offer. God bless you. Go for it. And then When you have a problem, you call Wilhelmina. I cannot help you. I cannot. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening. I shall wait for you on conference.